Hey guys, so basically I got an X Deck Tin gift pack. That's it, from 2004. I don't think they make these anymore, and you get two booster packs. Here, I'll show you. You get a promo card, which was a Treecko. You can see that. You got these foil stickers. You get with it that, like, if you buy different tin, they'll have different variations on the stickers. And you buy these, you get 4 booster packs. Well, no, actually 2 booster packs, but from the previous X series. So I got Hidden Legends and Fire Red and Leaf Green. I was hoping for Sandstorm or Team Aqua Magma. So let's go ahead and open. So I think it's 2, maybe, like this. Okay, let me see. So I got a C dot, Cyndaquil, Plusle, Meditite, Oddish, Medicham, Corsola, a Jigglypuff Reverse Holo, and a Shiftry Holographic, which is a rare, which isn't too bad because I actually don't have some of these cards from that series. So put you over there, and now it's time for Fire Red and Leaf Green. I think it's the same one too. So we have Pikachu, Ghastly, Clefairy, Growlithe, Pidgey, Nidorina, Energy Removal 2, Ghastly is a reverse holo, and Dodrio is the rare, which is not holo. So it's not too bad for the money. I only paid €6 for it or something. I got it off eBay. There was 2 left when I was purchasing, but then someone else bought the others. So yeah, that's basically it. And I hope you enjoyed my first Pokemon opening deck tin.